Hey y'all, first day of the Pouring Artists International Fluid Art Conference is in the bag successfully. Although we have had some cancellations due to the storm, everyone here is still having a wonderful time. The storm, I guess, is not expected to come for a few more days, so we're having a great time. The day is done of classes, and we're out here now having a little break out at the bar with some yummy vittles. And lots of people out here having a good time and relaxing. Let's go take a look inside. Everybody's still talking shop. All right, y'all, did we have a good day today?
Oh, Ashley's great. It was awesome.
Yeah. Great day. Great day. Beautiful. We learned lots of things. Beautiful. Coming around. Hi, Meg.
Hi.
Did you have a good day today?
I had a great day. I taught a great class.
Awesome. I've heard nothing but good things about your classes.
Fantastic.
Got busy classes tomorrow?
Got 2 classes tomorrow. We start bright and early at 8 a.m.
Oh, yeah. Fun, fun, fun. All right, we're going over here. There's Stephanie. Hi. How are you guys? Did you have a good time? Yes? Wonderful. There's Stephanie, one of the instructors. You had a good day? Awesome.
Are my cheeks red yet?
Oh, yeah. Get there.
Yeah.
There's Elkie, who just came today from Sarasota. She's got classes tomorrow. All right, let me change over here. Hard to move around. Did we have fun today?
Yes, we did.
All right. Just moving around. Getting a little dark here. Did you have fun today? Did you have fun today?
I had so much fun.
Awesome.
And I have learned so much.
So you would recommend this conference?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
We're convincing her to come out to Seattle.
I'm coming.
She's coming to Seattle. See? That's right. And another one of our great instructors, Maureen. Awesome.
Great students today. Oh, my gosh.
Great student. Absolutely.
And learned a lot. I kind of blew the right out.
And this one is coming out to Seattle as well.
Yes, I am.
It's going to be a blast, y'all. All right. I'm going to click off for now. Bye.